Hello, it's Saturday, July 3rd, 2021. Started a bike ride at 22 minutes after 8. Kind of early for me. Riding the Canyon Endure CFSLX bike. Weather today is 78 degrees. Calm wind, mostly cloudy. Supposedly it's going to be a rainy Saturday, but so far no rain. Today's route going through Elm Grove Village, Woodland Hills, Sherwood Trails, well, not in that order. Sherwood Trails, then Woodland Hills, then Bear Branch, Kings Forest, and then south along West Lake Houston Parkway through Atascocita to FM 1960, and then across Lake Houston, down Fair Lake Lane to the south, Old Atascocita Road to the east, and then I think I'm going to go FM 2100 north to Huffman, or as I used to tell my wife, Huffman, and then west on FM 1960, and then back through Walden, and then north through Atascocita and back to Kingwood. 31 miles or there or so. Hope to see some other cyclists, bikers along the route, particularly once I get to FM 1960. Wow, they're clearing all the trees and undergrowth. I'm riding south on Atascocita Shores, approaching FM 1960, where I'll turn left, go east over Lake Houston. So far I haven't seen one biker. Unusual for a Saturday to see at least one. Have to gear down to get up this little incline on the stop. That's looking east. There's west. Sky so far looks okay. It's 12.1 miles. Time is 17 minutes after 9. East over Lake Houston on FM 1960. First biker spotted today. Actually, two of them. Three. Still over Lake Houston, riding east. Comes a big group. The bikers headed west. Another biker. I'm still going east on FM 1960, approaching Fair Lake Lane. I'm going to turn right onto Fair Lake. See if anybody's at the church. Several cars at the church. A couple of them have people with them. I don't know if they're starting or finishing. I'll leave the camera on around the corner here. Another biker wants to surprise me. Nice flags out today. July 3rd in preparation. Oh, there's one. Hi. Good thing I left the camera on. We'll pause here until I get to the next curve. Riding east on Old Atascocita Road towards FM 2100. See a blinking light. See several blinking lights. Oncoming bikers. Hi. Continuing on Old Atascocita Road to FM 2100 up ahead, riding east. That may be the last biker that I see. Today we'll find out though. That's to the north. I'm going to change the route. Instead of going north to Huffman, I'm going to retrace my route back on Old Atascocita Road to Fair Lane and then north to FM 1960 and west. It's like here comes a couple bikers, probably from the church that I passed. Riding north on Fair Lake Lane towards FM 1960. Sky looks threatening. Feel some light sprinkles. Riding west on FM 1960, I just turned left off of Fair Lake Lane. Some light sprinkles. The dark clouds seem to have still stuck behind. Wait a second here, I had the camera turned around backwards. Now I'm riding west. That's what looks behind me to the east. What it looks like to the north as I ride west over Lake Houston. That's the south. That's east. Atascocita. The closer I get to Walden, the sprinkling is picking up, so I'm going to turn right on Pinewood Park, I think it is. This will take me to Pinehurst Trail, and there I'll go north. riding on West Lake Houston Parkway towards Kingwood over the San Jacinto River north. Looks like I managed to skirt around any heavy rain if there was any. I've been riding in light sprinkles, but no big deal. Still riding along West Lake Houston Parkway to the north. I spoke too soon about avoiding the rain. As soon as I got on the north side of the river, it started raining. But no lightning, so, and it wasn't a heavy rain. So I kept on going. I said there were some other bikers that were going the opposite direction from me.